Well, at last, it looks like gold is starting to sort itself out. Congratulations, first of all, to everybody who had the trade yesterday in the buy zone at 1926, target 1937. It hit our target and bounced straight off it, didn't it? So that was a great trade. Congratulations to you if you had that one. Today's market looks like a short, so sales only at this stage. We have a sell zone at 1930. So I've set an alarm here to let me know when that hits. Sorry, it's Chris here from the TradingMentors.com. Hope you're well this morning. It's the 6th of April and it's 7:22 in the morning here in the UK. You're all very welcome. So we're looking at quite a few situations going on today, and I'm going to go through them in a little bit more detail so it helps you understand better what's going on. So currently gold 1919, and we have a target of 1917 and then extension 1907 if it's going to collapse that far. We shall see. For scalpers, you're waiting for the price to pull back up, and I'll go over that as well. I've just sent a signal to members regarding the US Swiss. I'm going to go over that in any second now, just to clarify what's going on there. We've got a massive, I think it's 3 or 4 times risk reward, so this is going to be a big move. Before I do that, let's go into divergence. Divergence is one of the most powerful indicators we can use because it tells us in advance where price is going next. So this is the pound yen, currently 161.76. We would have a target of 160.80, so almost 100 pips in this one once it kicks in. I'm waiting for the price to move below the blue line, as you can see here. Once it does, then I'll be going to the price structure chart just to clarify and be going short with at least 2 or 3 times risk reward. Remember that the US yen leads the way with all the yens, generally speaking. They all correlate, and the US yen is currently moving up 123.96 and highly likely going to hit 124.36 in the next hour or so. Once this starts to move down, then this will correlate with the pound yen and sell that. One of the key things to understand when trading is to understand when a trade and a chart is mixed. Here we can see that the channel is pointing up on the Aussie USD, currently 0.7569, and going down on the shorter time frame. So this indicates that a mixed chart is likely. In fact, it could even bounce up from 75.70 and move back up into an uptrend in the next few hours. We'll have to wait and see. Very important to understand when you don't want to be in the markets in order to keep your money safe. For you guys who are scalping, this is the gold scalping charts, and I have 3 in line. I have the 3-minute on the left, 5-minute in the middle, and the 1-minute. So it gives us a clear sense of direction of where the price is and where it's going to go. We know the targets from the longer time frame, 1917 and 1907. Targets for the day, and they're going to be hit as long as the price continues to move down, of course. Everything's saying sell, so we will sell. I'm not in this yet. I'm waiting for a pullback up to about 1921. And once it does, then I shall be going short to 1917 and 1907. Last but no means least, the US Swift is on its way to target 93.9350. A very nice trade, this one. I'll tell you why. We have a nice stop. We have support at 93.930. I've got my stop at 92.90, 10 pips below. Very sensible. And what's the risk to reward? It's 2.38. So you could have a tighter stop than that if you want to increase your risk to reward, but at least 2 times is more than sufficient. Let's have a look, see how we're doing. I haven't seen this for a while. Yep, so we're doing okay. Currently up 11,000, so it's heading for target at 93.50. Stop loss 92.90. So that's looking good. From Chris here in the Trading Mentors, I hope you enjoyed that and good trading today.